so here's going to be my settings for this night run that I'm going to do here using MC Pro. I've already got my ISO set up to 800. Shutter frame is going to be 1/48. Now, since I'm going to be filming in the dark here, I am going to change the gamut. And first of all, let me do my color balance. Put that around to 50. Let's just go 52 around there. I'm going to change my gamut to wide gamut, a wide gamut. I always kind of use cine gamut, but I typically use these. And then I'm going to go ahead and change this to, let's go this time. I'm going to try something different here. I think I always use cine on film. And, you know, I'm going to stick with what I know. Let's go to cine on film. Now that's just going to give me a lot more to save, especially when we're filming in the dark. Now you can see the flares already happening. I got the anamorphic lens on here, so we're going to change my settings for that. I'm going to do everything at 1080. You know what? Let's go ahead and crank it up to 2K. No, I don't have enough space on my phone at the moment. We'll keep it at HD. And then I'm running 240 because I'm using Samsung Note 8. That's the most I can get on it. Then I'm going to turn my de-squeezing. I'm using a new lens here. I'm using a 1.5 lens. I have 1.33s. I'm going to go to 1.55, which is a lot more. You're going to see a lot more on the wide here. And I'm going to use that. And I think we're all set to go here. So this is basically what I'm going to do. I'll probably be going in and higher on my ISO depending on how dark it is. Right now at the moment, the scene is not that dark where I'm at. We got lights here, so I can crank the ISO kind of low. So yeah, let's get into it.